Okay, welcome back to another MECH 1000 video. This should be a really short video showing you how to use the scale command. So the scale command could be useful if you've drawn something and you realize it's not the right size. You can use the scale command. You select the command and then you choose the object you want to scale, and finish that selection with a right-click, enter, or spacebar, and then choose a base point. So the base point is going to stay in the same position. So if I'm going to scale up the size of this rectangle, and I choose its bottom left corner, that means the bottom left corner will stay where it is, but as it grows, if I choose a scale factor greater than 1, it will grow to the right and it will grow up. You can see like that. And so you can just kind of click with your mouse to choose the scale. But more than likely, you're going to want to specify some scale factor. For instance, 2. Let's say I want to double the size of the rectangle. I enter 2 with my keyboard and enter, and I have doubled the size of that box. Or you can make things smaller as well if you choose a scale factor less than 1. So I could scale this circle by selecting it, right-click. I'll choose the center of the circle as its base point and a scale factor of 0.5, and I can make it smaller. This also works for text. So if I want to make the text bigger, I can choose Scale, select the text, right-click, choose a base point, and then change the scale factor. Let's say I want to make it 4 times bigger. I can blow it up, or if I choose something smaller, I could do like 1/8 and make it smaller. So as I said, the scale factor or scale command typically comes in handy when you've drawn something and realize it's not the right size, and you want to fix that by scaling it up or down. And that's it. I said this would be a short video, and sure enough it was. That's the scale command.